Why side hustles fail and what actually does work. Here's the truth. Most side hustles are built to fail. I've seen it time and time again. People juggling two, three, even four extra gigs, still exhausted and barely covering bills. Let me ask you, have you ever tried a side hustle that drained more time and energy than it actually gave back to you? Here's the problem. Most side hustles depend on constant selling, tiny commissions, or trading even more hours for dollars. It's the same trap as a 9 to 5. It's just dressed up differently. But here's what actually works: a system where you own your income, you keep 100% of your profit, and don't need to chase people or rely on ads. That's what I discovered after trying everything else, and it changed everything for me. Subscribe if you're tired of the hustle trap. And in the comments, tell me, what's the worst side hustle you've ever tried? And stick around until the end because I'll share the exact steps I follow daily. Plus, watch my previous video on why retiring at 70 is so hard now. The link is inside here. Here are those steps that actually work. Step 1, simplify. Stop chasing multiple side hustles. Pick one system, one strategy, and commit to it fully. Step 2, structure. Create a daily routine you can actually follow. For me, it's just a couple hours focused a day on content, conversations, and consistency plus value. Step 3, scale. Once you're seeing results, don't reinvent the wheel. Use tools, automation, and mentorship to grow without burning out. That's it. Simple, structured, and scalable. The exact opposite of most hustles and that drain your time and money. If you're tired of juggling side hustles that don't work and you want a clear, proven system that saves you years of trial and error, let's connect. I'll show you what's possible. A side hustle shouldn't steal your time. It should buy it back for you. Any questions, feel free to email me anytime.